Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is September 14th, 2017, and today is Thursday morning. So lots happening today, but let's look at the economic calendar first. So 9:30 a.m. South African time, we have the Swiss franc Libor rate. That's for all intents and purposes, that's another interest rate that's coming out. Just call it differently from different countries. And then most importantly, at 1 o'clock, we have Great Britain official bank rate. That is a colossal number. And we're going to look at the GBP. Lots happening there. And then at 2:30 South African time, we have CPI number coming out of the United States. So chock full of nuts in terms of news that's coming out. We have other news that's coming out as well that's also important. But I think that these are the three numbers to really keep an eye on today. So let's see what's happening in the markets. So this is what's beautiful about charting and really paying attention to your levels and just playing the support and resistance level. We're looking here at the Euro USD, and we had this double top here at 120.72-ish level. And finally, we couldn't break higher, and we broke a little bit lower. All right, we had a little bit of a bull flag right here, and boom, this is a big retracement for the Euro USD. We're trading now at 1875 right now, which is a big correction for the Euro USD. We're at support. Okay, we still haven't breached the trend line, as you can see. We're still right there, but this is the first time that we've really, just challenge our double top, okay, and now we're challenging our bottom. So this might be a correctional move. At best, if we do have a correctional move and we break the support level, especially if we break the trend line, okay, we spoke about this recently with the Elliott wave webinar, that if we do break the trend line, then we could definitely see it going down back to 117.40-ish level, which is another 140 pips. So correctional move of about 200 pips, okay, for this, from the extremities of these two moves. But as you can see, we're sitting at support, previous resistance. So this may be a point to actually buy this. So I would look to actually buy this a little bit today, going to the number with the GBP rate decision, and just to see if it does hold the line. If it does hold the line, then you could get a little bit more aggressive as it continues going up. But if it doesn't and it does break, you could flip it and take it short. But you're right there at the threshold. So keep an eye on that later today. Looking at the GBP USD, we've retraced from this 133 level. Okay, now we mentioned yesterday we haven't been at this 133 level in a long time, and we're actually at resistance at 133.87. Okay, we broke this. This is obviously Brexit announcement from last year, and we're right here at this threshold. Okay, now with the number coming out later today, you have to see how this actually pans out. So I think we'll just be really in very tight range until the number does come out. Okay, if we do have a breakout on the upside, okay, I'd like to see it break out. Let's look at a weekly chart. I'd like to see it break up above this 133.87 level, and if it does, then we're looking at it closing in at 139-ish level, 138-ish level in this range. Okay, so this is really what I'd look to see with this today. However, if it falters, then we could definitely check it out at 128. Okay, it's going to be trading between these two levels. So keep an eye on this as this progresses today. Gold is trending further down. We finally broke this support level at 113.25-ish level yesterday, and we're breaking down even lower. So we're trading at 1,320. Okay, and as we're closing up this gap from this big runoff that we had, the next real stop, okay, is 1,300. That would be my next 1,300-ish level, would be my real support level. But as you can see here, we have a minor previous resistance, subsequent support right here at 1,320. So keep an eye on this today if this continues to falter down. Now, what the markets are not doing, okay, the Dow Jones, we're not breaking higher. Okay, we're at this somewhat resistance level, 22,100-ish level, but we're not really breaking higher. I'd like to see some continuation here, some sort of continued buy. Now, this is powered by the DAX, and the DAX looks like it's not opening up on its highs today, but let's see if it does continue going up higher, then I'd look to buy and continue buying the Dow Jones. And just very scary when you're buying it all the way up on the top, but generally speaking, that's always the better play because it's in motion. Okay, it's still going up higher. It's still trending up higher. It could further go up. But if it doesn't have that if it doesn't have that backbone to continue going up, then we could certainly see a correctional move in the market. So keep an eye on that as well. Looking at oil, just trading at $49 a barrel, just with what's going on with the hurricanes down in south of the United States, southern United States, Florida, Texas, has disrupted the flow of gasoline in the United States, has driven prices out of the control. So it's a little bit of a hectic situation locally in the United States. On the back end, it affects the price of oil, okay? But you see, we're not going up higher than that. So it might be if we do not break this up higher, we may just find ourselves back at $47 a barrel. So keep an eye on that as well. Looking at the USD Japanese yen, we're at resistance here on multi-month resistance. Okay, 110. We finally broke this downwards trend. Okay, and now we're covering this up. Now to say that this is a reversal, okay, has yet to be confirmed, and the reason it has yet to be confirmed is because we're at this resistance. So I'd like to see it break up higher above this 110, 111-ish level, okay, to say that this might go back to the 112, 113-ish level. So keep an eye on that as well as this unfolds. This is Fred Razak at CM Trading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.